Hello everyone, we're going to be flying the Mavic Air 2 and we're going to be using the software Litchi. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to run the program. So we're going to pull up flyLitchi.com and you're going to want to sign in and create a profile. Doesn't take long. Once you do that, you can follow these steps for a successful waypoint mission. So my first waypoint, I just single click. That's just right outside my front door, right in the driveway. And our mission today is going to observe this park that we have up here. So our second point's just at the top corner here. As you can see, that's the park. And we're just going to do a couple switchbacks so we can kind of observe that whole portion of the park. All I'm doing is single clicking where I want that waypoint to be. Alright, final waypoint, waypoint 14. And you don't have to set that close to your home. You can set it wherever, and your aircraft will go on a return to home as soon as it's done with this mission. So that's waypoint 14. We're going to select waypoint number 1. And here we're going to have to adjust our altitude. And today I'm going to be flying at 200 feet AGL. And you're going to want to do this for every single waypoint that you've put down. Alright, now we're done setting our altitude. So we're going to go back to waypoint 1. And we're going to want to click this box, the above ground box. It'll keep its above ground level, so you'll stay in altitude of 200 feet, which we want for this mission. Go ahead and click on your settings. I'm going to take a look. Your heading home mode, we're going to do custom. You can do auto return to home. This is so you can kind of just play with all the settings. Alright, see how I have that long curve there? That's not ideal for what I want, so we're going to go ahead and drop that curve down to about 30 feet. Yeah, I like that much better. So every curve you're going to want to just kind of check out. That looks fine. That looks fine. Go down to 5 and 6, that looks good. 9, 10's good. So I'm looking at waypoint 13. We're going to drop that curve down to about 40 feet. Now all of our curves look good. So we finish that up. Take a look. Everything's looking pretty good. Now we're going to go back to settings. And our cruise speed is set at 33 miles per hour. This Mavic Air 2 is not going to be going 33 miles per hour on a mission. So for each waypoint, we're going to start with waypoint 1. And I'm going to set my cruise or my speed at 5 miles per hour. Again, do this for each waypoint. So we're going to take a look at waypoint 1 and see how the heading is not facing the line of travel. So we're going to go ahead and fix that. So again, start on waypoint 1. In our heading, you can see that I'm adjusting the heading, and what I want is basically the line of sight where I'm going. Same thing for number 2. Just want to follow my flight path. And we're just going to keep it off to the right just a little bit and see my headings here. They need to be adjusted to where we're looking at the park. Whatever we're observing, we want to be looking at that all the time. So we're going to go ahead and adjust all these waypoints. Alright, and since that's the end of the mission, we're just going to go ahead and throw that heading towards our home base. And alright, that's how you adjust your headings. Everything looks great. All our numbers are looking good. And that's that measurement on the top where it gives you like your flight time and how like that 0.6 miles, like that's off. This mission took me about 6 minutes, I think. So go ahead and go to save mission, save it wherever you want. And that is completed. So we have saved our mission, and now we can upload it on our mobile device. Now we have Litchi. I'm running an iPhone 12. So we're going to go ahead and click on that folder button and click on a park mission, and there it is. Looking over everything looks good. We're going to go ahead and start mission. Still have gimbal tilt. I cannot adjust the gimbal. I can only go up and down. And we have started our mission. So waypoint 1 to waypoint 2. As you can remember, our waypoint 2 was at the corner of that park. It's making its way there. Take a look at our map. We are staying on course, and we have reached waypoint number 2. And as you can see on our map here, our heading is facing towards the park. That's exactly what we wanted. And here's a live view. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up. Go ahead and look at our map again, and it looks like we're on our way to waypoint 9. Everything's looking great. And again, it's a great way to observe. And we are reaching the end of our mission. Aircraft's on its way to waypoint 13. And on to the last waypoint, 14. And at this point, it has switched over to return to home. And we have a touchdown. Mission complete. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Waypoint missions are a great way to get into the drone business. Let me know what you think.